Hey there, and welcome back to another week of my portrait drawing journey. This week, I found it really hard to find some stuff to talk about that I hadn't told you already in my previous videos, which felt a bit odd to me as I thought that I would have some insane stuff to share with you guys, but as I'm finding out, that's simply not the case. So come on, let's get into it. So in my last video, I talked about the importance of using references while drawing. Whether you're using PureRef or QuadroRef, both are excellent choices when it comes to reference apps. Having a reference on hand can help you see your mistakes in real time and make adjustments accordingly. Now, I would also highly recommend having some sort of guide for a specific feature that you're struggling with or a speed paint on the side so that you can switch to them in order to see how you're supposed to draw a certain section or the whole drawing. That way, you can immediately put what you learn into practice, and as a result, you learn it much faster. Speaking of mistakes, I recently made a small one in my 3/4 view portrait that made a big impact on the drawing as a whole. I made the jaw a little too big and also pushed out the outline of the arch on the other side of the face, which made his whole face look a lot more puffy than it actually was. Strange how I didn't really notice that before, but after I was given the critique on my work, it seems so obvious now. Another thing I would like to add is that sometimes I feel like I should be learning something new or creating something groundbreaking every time, but the truth is that sometimes it's just about the grind. It's just about taking the time to solidify the things that I already know and practicing them until they become second nature. So if you're feeling stuck and feeling like you're not really improving much, then don't worry. It's all part of the process. Keep grinding and keep practicing. And don't be afraid to make mistakes because that's really how we learn and grow as artists in the end. So that'll be it for me. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.